Hi, what's up everybody? Welcome to the Hedera Coffee Break with Yamgo, the show where I bring you the latest news and insight from the world of Hedera. My name is Pat and I work as a part of the team developing Yamgo, the ultra-secure wallet on Hedera Hashgraph. In today's episode, I'll be covering 5 different stories that happened over the last time in the Hedera ecosystem, like Leemonswap situation, or we also gonna cover the consensus event that happened a few weeks ago. So, let's grab your favorite cup of coffee and let's dive in. Leemonswap situation. So that's something I would like to start with in today's episode. Some of you already heard a story about Leemonswap, but I just wanted to add 2 cents from me here. And to keep things short, basically Leemonswap was a decentralized exchange and aggregate project on Hedera with a goal to build a top-tier DEX within Hedera ecosystem. In order to raise funds, team released their own token and NFTs, selling them to the Hedera community. However, due to multiple issues they had and unsustainable business model, project ultimately failed to launch, allegedly stealing thousands, I should even say hundreds of thousands of users' funds. So what happened? Let's go back to 3rd of May, and on the 3rd of May, as we can see, Leemonswap tweeted a post saying that they have deep regret to share some announcement with the community. And just by reading this, you know it's not looking good, right? So when we go down this post, we can go to the point when they say that today we have received the news that one of the dev team members had lost his laptop and didn't have access to his wallet anymore. I mean, I'm a bit speechless at this point right now because, like, guys, I mean, that should never happen, right? And you are responsible for like users' funds, and you also claiming to be one of the top tier dexes on the Hedera ecosystem. It just doesn't look good. And yeah, basically that effectively locked the team out of the multi-signature wallet, where only right now 3 out of 7, where 4 is required keys to do any transaction are available. That means they lost access to users' funds and they cannot access them anymore. It just sounds crazy to me, and you know, I'm trying to understand it because, like, okay, we all humans, but like, you know, when you're actually developing a top tier DEX on a Hedera ecosystem, there should be some risk management in place, right? We all humans, I understand that, but still, like, that should never happen. And yeah, you see that team trying to be really transparent with the community, giving the signature wallet IDs, and also they made code of the project public. So they're trying to be transparent at this point. But like, can we call it rug pull? Can we call it a scam? Yes and no. But like, also there are 2 questions that we can ask right now, right? Could that be avoided? And can we take any lesson from that? And answer to these 2 questions should be yes, and it is yes. And I would like to just to point a post from Ryan Davis, Yamgo CPOs, and how we think the treasury management should be managed, and to avoid any crazy situation like that. So quoting Ryan here, quoting Ryan here. For example, at the Yamgo app, we have multiple people with keys for our treasury, and each person has multiple keys to avoid I lost it situation. We require X people to sign to make transaction, and each person can sign with any of the keys. And as you can see, yeah, so what I can see right now within the space, there is some lack of education, even among the developers, and it's hard to see the project like that was highlighted by Hedera ends up losing access to the wallet. It should never happen, basically, and hopefully the lesson we can take from that is to get more educated within the space and provide more knowledge to the developers and the community and the security among how to store the assets and to avoid any situation like that. So yeah, hopefully we can get there. Consensus event. That's the next thing I would like to cover in today's video. So yeah, the consensus event happened a few weeks ago, and I just wanted to point a few things here. I just wanted to say the event was really successful and was really great. We could see like many Hedera team over there and many Hedera use cases and developers that are working on Hedera Hashgraph network. You know, we could see Christian, we could see Brady from Hedera, we could see Mans and Elena, who is responsible for organizing events like that. And thanks to HBAR and his updates from the event, he done a few interviews with people that attended the event, and something brought my attention is Patch's amazing onboarding tool that I would like to show you guys today, and his view on that. So, you know, as we know, we really need mass adoption into the crypto world, but like nobody is so techy and wants, you know, like Max, I'm just quoting Max Walker here, Hedera is not sexy, and he is absolutely right in this point, and we just want to make it seamless experience for everyone to just don't worry about the tech and just enjoy the process of being part of the community without having this technical knowledge. And what Patches is doing, he's developing this amazing onboarding tool, and they're gonna help you, you know, Hedera to bring Web2 users to Web3 with Web2 experience. So just let's listen to that quickly.
Quick it is. It takes about a minute for a user to get a new wallet, get an NFT, get points on that NFT, and then use those points. They're immutable, they're searchable, and then what HGraph has is a decentralized database solution where even if you have 10,000 records, if you have 100,000 records, you have 1,000,000 records, we quickly index the HCS so you have data authenticity that can go to the topic ID and sequence number, and you can see that JSON, super nerdy.
So yeah, that's really exciting. And yeah, if you'd like to find out more from Patches or from any other guys that attended the event and listen to interview, you can go to HBAR YouTube channel and yeah, watch it by yourself. The next thing I would like to cover in today's video is Leemon Baird in community spaces. So we could see Leemon Baird attending the community spaces that were hosted by Elizabeth, the Hello Future Bus. And yeah, I don't know if that ever happened before, and it was amazing to see Leemon as you know, asking and answering questions from community and to community. And yeah, there was one thing also that brought my attention here is him explaining Direct, the centralized recovery tool that right now they are developing with his team. And yeah, let's listen to that as well.
So we have Direct is a way that you can, in any app like a wallet that manages secrets like keys, or even in a password manager, you know, like 1Password, you could have that, or even built into an operating system like iOS or Android. You can imagine that it keeps these secrets, and then to ensure that you don't lose the secret when you lose your phone, which would be a disaster. I was just reading about a disaster like that, where some people lost keys, they're losing money. Instead, what you do is you have a bunch of helpers, and your key, your secret, your password, whatever the secret is, gets split into pieces and goes to all of them. It's something called secret sharing. So you could say, I give it to 10 people, and any 5 of them could get together to help me recover it if I lose it.
Guys, no, I'm speechless right now, honestly. I mean, what this guy is developing is absolutely amazing, and that's a very innovative thing. I don't know if it's not existing in the space right now, and if that actually can come to life, you know, we can lead the market definitely. And that's, you know, can we ask a question here? Could Dirac save Leemonswap? Who knows? Hedera 8 billion transaction, guys. I mean, we are ramping up so quickly. It's just amazing to see that Hedera is ramping up the TPS right now on the network. We done 1 billion transaction in 15 days, guys. That's amazing to see. That means that we're gonna do 2 billion transaction in a month, right? So I can tell you right now, 10 million is coming soon. And the thing I would like to point here as well, it's AdsDAX. You know, AdsDAX is like, you know, use case developed by Yamgo team, and at the time, you know, we done almost 2 billion transaction on the network. So we are happy to say that, you know, we are a big chunk of that 8 billion with AdsDAX, and hopefully, you know, you're gonna be able to see more from us soon as well. That's what I can tell you now. And yeah, Sentient marketplace, SentX I should say right now. One of the most prominent NFT marketplaces right now on Hedera network, and we could see a really interesting tweet from them. On the 5th of May they posted a user on their marketplace just purchased multiple NFTs at once from multiple buyers in one single network transaction, and gas fees were not even a 1 HBAR, not even like 10th of HBAR. Guys, that's absolutely crazy. And the question here, could you do it on Ethereum network? I don't think so. And yeah, it's so good that we can even see Brady from sorry, and we could see Brady from Hedera marketing team saying that that's something ADA Cardano network community talks about regularly as a game-changing innovation, and that's already on Hedera network. I'm just speechless, you know. The tech behind Hedera is so amazing. Just the one thing about Hedera is that the enterprise focus just takes time, guys. And with our consistency and patience, we really can achieve success. And believe me, it's just a matter of time when we're gonna see Hedera Hashgraph rocking and mooning soon. And hopefully that's gonna be this year. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'm gonna wrap up for today. Thank you so much. If you'd like to carry on any of the conversation about topics I covered today, join our Discord channel, or you can, you know, post under this video as well. Any comments you have, I'm gonna be happy to answer them in the next video. And yeah, thank you so much for joining me today, and hopefully see you in the next one.